Hello, welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to see a quick demo on how to send email from Anypoint Studio Mulesoft to using Gmail credentials. This would be a very quick video. There are other videos which I have uploaded into this channel, which is about connecting to MS SQL Server and as well as connecting to PostgreSQL. However, in this video, let's see how to send an email using Gmail credentials. I have already created a new project in Anypoint Studio, and I had uh, added a listener basically to this will be receiving a request from Postman. So this configuration is quite simple. I left everything to default apart from adding a base path for API, as well as in the message flow in the listener the path is send email. So there is no other changes which has been done to this palette. So let's go to the email. So let's select this email send palette and let's add a transformation or a logger just to make sure in case if we need to do a debugging for of this project. So in the send email, we need to configure a couple of values. The first is connector configuration, and post to that we need to add the from address, the subject, and the message. So let's go one by one. So let me add the configuration. In the configuration, we need to add the host information. So already have the host information, which is basically for Gmail. So we'll use smtp.gmail.com and port is 587. And we need to give the username and password that is from our Gmail. So this is my channel email ID. So I would be sending a message from here, and okay, so apart from this, we need to click on advanced and we need to edit the inline, that is basically to add the enable the TLS. So let's copy this mail.smtp.starttls.enable and the value will be true. Let's finish it. Let's okay. So there is no other changes which is required over here. Now we need to give the from address. From address will be the same address which we have already configured using for the username and password. So to address, we can add edit inline, and here I am going to add the same email ID, that is sending message to the same email ID, but it will be from a Mule application. So then we need to add a subject. So in the subject, let's make it telling that like uh, email, my first email from Mulesoft, Anypoint Studio. Okay, so here there is a payload. We can directly give the message over here. For this demo, I'm not going to change anything, just add some default values telling that like hello, you have received an email from Mule for any point studio. Okay, so there is an option to send the attachment as well, that I would be doing in other video where we'll be reading from the hard drive or the local disk and then attaching it. For the moment, we're going to be sending only the email without any attachments. Let's save it. There are no errors. So here, uh, let's running the debug, I'm not going to add a breakpoint, but let's debug to see if any issues would occur. So I would be opening my Postman. So let's take a brand new and let me give http colon localhost 8081 slash API slash the email. Okay, so let us see if the application has been hosted and deployed. Yes, successful. Once again, let's come to the listener, send email, the case is fine. So now let us execute the Postman query. Okay, let us see if we get an email. So there was a success response. Well, of course, we did not set any message or a success message. So, but let me check in my email if I have received. So this is my first email. You can see, right. So now, just to be sure, let's delete this email. So let's make sure there is no email in the inbox. Let me again give this one. We have received an email. That's it for this video. Please subscribe and comment. Thank you.